Ich heiße Aditi. Ich lerne Deutsche von British College of Language. Trainers explains in simple words and repeat patiently. Daily speaking targets increase my confidence. I strongly recommended this institute. Vielen Dank.
Hello, my name is Jitesh, and I've been taking German classes from BCL, that is British College of Languages, for a while from now. And it's been a great experience, not only because of excellent faculty and good teachers, but also because of their thinking and keeping practical knowledge over theory. So, yeah, it's been a great experience, and from the first day, I have been taught very nicely. So, yeah, thank you.
Hallo, ich bin Sarah. I am Studentin. I am learning German from BCL Institute. Learning German from BCL Institute is a very unique experience for me. Quick response, and the teacher explained very nicely to me. Feeling good. I enjoy speaking now. We will danke, which means thank you.
Guten Abend. Hallo. Ich heiße Pravesh. Ich lerne Deutsch von BCL. I recommend this institute to everyone who is willing to learn German because this institute is good with the teachers are good with pronunciations. They rectify your errors and take tests every day before starting their new lecture. Thank you so much. Danke.
Hi, this is Himanshi and I'm a student of French language in BCL. It helped me a lot like structured class, feedback, practice, new life topic, real life topics like meeting and interviews, which has helped me a lot. I happily recommended BCL. Thank you.
Hi, I am Diya and I am studying French in BCL. Presentations and mock interview reduce stage fear, very friendly environment and useful materials. I highly recommend BCL without any doubts. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Aman. I joined BCL British College of Language to improve my English for my job. It was my best decision. The teachers are so supportive and the classes are fun and practical. Now I speak confidently in meetings thanks to their amazing English speaking course.
Hi, this is Himanshi and I'm a student of English language in BCL. It helps me a lot like clear notes, pronunciation correction and weekly test kept me regular. Hesitation went away in 2 weeks. I strongly recommend this institute for spoken English.
Hi, my name is Gursimar Singh. I am studying French from British College of Language. Clear notes, pronunciation correction and weekly test kept me regular. Hesitation went away in 2 weeks. Strongly recommend this institute for spoken French.
Hello, my name is Sia Nair and I am a student of BCL Institute. I study German here. All A1 topics are taught very simply with regular revision and practices. Articles, cases and sounds are taught in easy language and that is why I can confidently introduce myself to others and I highly recommend this institute. Thank you.
Hello. I love how British College of Language focuses on giving real-life conversations in their German lessons. The small size groups makes it possible for giving individual attention and I made a great progress in just a few months. Now let me give you a brief of myself in German. Ich heiße Kriti Jan. Ich bin Studentin. Vielen Dank.
Hello, myself is Tanisha Arora. I am studying French from British College of Language. Tones and pronunciations taught in small steps with audio drills. Confusion reduced, clarity improved. I recommend BCL.
Hello everyone, my name is Uma. I am a student of BCL. Trainer explain in simple words and repeat patiently. Daily speaking target build my confidence. I strongly recommend this institute.
Komal this side. I love how British College of Language focus on real life conversation in their English classes. The small group size allowed for individual attention and I made great progress. Thank you so much.
My name is Shivang Dev Nagarwal. I am a student of BCL. I am here to learn English grammar course because I struggle in English grammar course and their teacher cleared all my doubts. And this is the best place to learn English language course. Thank you.
Hello, I am Kamal. I am learning German language from BCL. As a beginner in German language, I was nervous at first, but BCL made it really enjoyable and its teaching methods are very interactive and helpful while
learning German language. I highly recommend this institute to learn language who's looking forward to learn a new language.
Hi, I am Princey. I am learning English language in BCL. Trainer corrected tones gently and gave practice plan. I can manage simple chats now. I recommend this institute for spoken English. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rashi. I am a student of Japanese language in BCL. Hiragana, katakana and basic kanji and polite phrases taught clearly. Daily speaking practice build confidence. I recommend British College of Language. Thank you.
Hello, I am Megha. I am learning Japanese from BCL. Basic kanji, hiragana, katakana, and daily useful phrases taught clearly. Daily conversation practice build confidence. I recommend BCL. Thank you.
Hi, I am Manav. I study English language in BCL. Articles, cases and sounds taught in very easy language. I can introduce myself confidently. I recommend this institute. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Alisha. I am learning English language in BCL. Useful notes, pronunciation guidance and study revision. I can ask basic questions very easily. Highly recommend this institute. Thank you.
Hello, I am Himaika and I am learning English language in BCL. Structured class, recap, new topics, practice and feedback. Real life activities like meetings and interviews help me the most. I happily recommend BCL. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Pana. Currently studying Japanese N5 level at BCL Institute. And right now we are studying hiragana, katakana, and basic kanjis. And as well as polite phrase and also daily conversations build confidence. And I highly recommend BCL. Thank you.
Hi, 私はラビです。私は BCL で日本語を習っています。私はデリーで住んでいます。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。ありがとうございます。
Hi, my name is Ashraf. I am learning English language in BCL. Focus on weekdays and weekly goals kept me disciplined. Confidence was high on test days. I recommend BCL to aspirant students. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hardik. I am learning English language in BCL. Presentation and mock interviews reduce stage fear, a friendly environment and useful materials. I recommend BCL without any doubt. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Samir and I am learning English language in BCL. Step-by-step grammar, speaking drills and audio practice build strong basics. Trainer is friendly and patient. I recommend British College of Language for English. Thank you.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Lovia, je suis étudiant BCL, British College of Language. The British College of Language has helped me in boosting my confidence and learning the third language, French. The French is also helpful in earning my PR in Canada, and it will also help me to clear my IELTS. Merci beaucoup.
Salut, bonsoir, je m'appelle Disha, je suis étudiant at BCL Institute. Hi guys, my name is Disha Vasan. I'm a student of BCL Institute. I'm learning French from here. The professors are very helping. If I have any problem, I went to the teachers and they solved the problem immediately. So I'm loving the experience over here. You can come and learn all the languages. Thank you so much.
My name is Vivek Gandhi and I'm learning English language from BCL, and I highly recommend this institute, British College of Language, because of the teachers are very supportive and the grammar mistakes are very improved.
Hello everyone, my name is Vansh. I am currently doing English speaking course from BCL. They give you clear explanation, quick feedbacks and practical dialogues. I highly recommend this institute for you.
My name is Janvi. I am learning English speaking course from BCL. Daily speaking practice build our confidence. I highly recommended British College of Language. Thank you.
Hello, Ishai Deepika. I would like to share my experience in BCL. Tones and character taught in small step and audio drill. Trainers are very friendly and patient. I can manage small talks now. I highly recommended British College of Language for German language.
Konnichiwa. Ever since I've started joining BCA classes, my Japanese pronunciation of hiragana and katakana has improved a lot, and my writing skills also showed improvement. So I highly recommend BCL classes as it helps you improve and gain confidence.
Hello, my name is Kanika and I am pursuing Business English in BCL, and I highly recommended you will join BCL because I learned so many professional things according to my courses like Business English. I learned meeting, writing and meeting faces, calls and so many professional things. So, okay, thank you so much.
Ni hao, watch ya Raj. I am learning Chinese. Tones and characters taught in step by step with a drill of audio. Confusion reduce and clarity improve. I recommend BCL. Thank you.
Hello, ich bin Purvi. Even topics explained generally with regular practice and revision. I am learning German from BCL, very beginner friendly pace. Vielen Dank, which means thank you.
Hello, ich heiße Simon Preet. I am learning German language from BCL. It's an amazing experience for now, and the trainer is highly supportive. Even topics explained regularly with practice, and the environment is very friendly.